So, I'll use the crypto space. If 5 years ago you bought 1,000 rands worth of Bitcoin, okay, and that was after the funniness of COVID, where it flew through the roof. But even if you had bought when it was down, or up, you still would have made money.
Yeah.
But the problem is people look and they go, I bought Bitcoin today, or I bought Bitcoin yesterday and the price has dropped today, so I've lost money. They don't understand I bought Bitcoin because I'm investing so that in 10 years' time, that 1,000 rand that I've spent every month has accumulated through deflation, through interest, through all of those things, and it's generated me an asset.
Yeah.
Because people think an asset must generate you income now.
Yeah,
And because it is. I've spent 1,000 rand, what am I going to get for it?
Yeah.
I put 1,000 rand into, the internet, and I've got nothing to show for it.
Would you say that's like consumer culture? Because I spend 1,000 for this phone, I get the phone now.
Exactly. I ordered 10 of these on Temu and I got 10.
Yeah.
They might be crap.
But I got what I paid for.
But I got what I paid for. I mean, I laughed. I saw a post on, someone had posted, I have a pile of all my Amazon returns that I was too late to return. So let's create a boot sale. Anybody else got, and let's create a boot sale, and we can generate.
Yeah.
How many of you have bought stuff that you've never used?
And it's just sitting there. Dusting.
Creating dust. Or you've used stuff once. That's consumerism. That's what is supposed to happen.
Sorry. Go back to the last episode of a podcast that Nicole and I did, where she was talking about decluttering your mind. I think that's exactly the same with consumerism. You have all these stuff that you've spent money on that you're just not letting go of. Which means, the way I would view that is you can't allow for new stuff to come in.
Well, in one book I was reading, the guy says people will park their $500,000 rand car outside and all their junk is in their garage.
At Jimmy Cookman's.
And the junk, but their car, that asset is parked outside.
Yeah.
And I had such a chuckle because I'm guilty of that.
That's a fascinating way of thinking about it.
And it's like all their junk is in their garage.
Junk is way more important.
And it's bits of paper, and it's just old photographs, and files.
Yeah.
And, maybe there's a generator in there that's worth 10,000 rand. But the car that's worth 500,000 rand is parked outside.
And I mean, you see, that's why I feel like, I don't know if you've ever seen those shows, Storage Wars.
Yes.
I think that's why those shows are so successful, because people buy storage units because I need somewhere to keep my stuff. And then you clean, forget about it, or you move, or whatever happens. And I've seen ones with cars in the storage unit. And I was like, man, that is, you spend money so easily without realizing the impact that you create on yourself, right? You just
But that's why Temu and Shein, and certainly in the South African market, have just
smashing it.
I mean, latest I see Temu's opening a warehouse in South Africa.
Oh, that's gonna cut out the, what's that thing? The customs thingy, yeah.
So they're opening a warehouse in South Africa. Why? Because people have gone mad. I mean, I was laughing. I was listening to a bunch of school kids the other day, and the one's going, "Oh, I shop on Temu," and I'm like, really?
It's a thing.
It's a thing.
Yeah.